Well, we better hurry and get going. That virus feline Finasco might have already headed to the secret base. Well, we gotta hurry to catch up. See you later, Blur. Hasta luego. Oh, I just hope the girls are okay. Don't worry. The girls are great Super Kitty solvers. I'm sure they could try to solve this situation. I hope. Look, there it is. Come on, let's go.
Only I, Dr. Blowhole, know how to tame this beast, and so won't you listen to my power ballad solo? My solo in a world of mediocre minds, where genius is dissed by ignoramus mankind. Prepare to be pleasantly astounded. Astounded, oh, I wanna control you.
Want to control you?
I wanna make you mine. I wanna cajole you.
Want to control you?
An offer that I hope you shan't decline. I've got an ocean of devotion, and you're the one for me. A mutant disaster, I'll be your master, and together we'll be in wonderful wicked harmony, like a beautiful evil destiny, living large in absolute charge of metropolitan NYC. I got an ocean of devotion, and you're the one for me. You're the one for me. It's the lilt of an angel's choir.
I sense events taking a turn for the dire.
Well, that was unexpected. I guess that's what happens when someone sings that song. Hey, we stopped singing! The energy bubble is gone. Where's it going? It's going to Solcott City. Okay, for starters, I didn't expect that to happen that earlier. Guys, what in the heck are we going to do? That virus feline Finasco's gonna conquer the whole city with that thing. There's gotta be a way of how we can try to stop her. Fast.